when the fragments from the gel they have moved to the solid spot like the membranes, then they can be visualized by autoradiography. What is autoradiography? It is a technique using X-ray film to visualize fragments of molecules that have been radioactively labeled. कि इस टेक्निक के ज़रिए हम उन फ्रैगमेंट्स को विजुलाइज कर सकते हैं जो कि प्रीवियसली हमने लेबल किया था किसी रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस के साथ. So if DNA it has been immobilized and it has been hybridized with label probe, तो इस मेम्ब्रेन को हम in contact रखते हैं X-ray film के साथ. When it will come in contact with X-ray film, so a dark band will be formed there due to the emission from the radioactive substance, and that dark band will indicate the presence of DNA. So autoradiography can be used to analyze the fragment length and number. So this is typical autoradiograph of sequencing gel, and here different bases have been placed in different columns, like here adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, and then by using gel electrophoresis, the DNA fragments, they were separated, and after separation all these DNA fragments were radio labeled and then placed with X-ray film, and then the separation of different molecules, it was visible in autoradiograph. So this is the a typical procedure by which we can detect the radio labeled fragment by using autoradiography.